Hi, Brandon.Ragan coming from Guaranty RV in Junction City. I want to show you the 2017 Tag little guy. So this is the Max XL CS. And one thing you're going to know about this, it's going to be lightweight towable. So some of your Subarus, things that can tow 2,500 pounds, that's where you're going to be for something like this. So it's all solar prepped. Propane's going to go right in this area here. When you come around to this side, I want to start out with the outside here. One of the great features about this is your outside kitchen. So you're going to have your sink, 2-burner stove, lots of storage, microwave, and then your Norcold freezer right here. So coming around this side, it's all aluminum framed and fiberglass. Single axle with stabilizer jacks right here. And then when you poke your head in, you'll see it's going to have your AC unit, your TV, and room for 2 people to sleep. Also another thing, on the big front window here, it's got a blind and a couple of windows on each side. So again, for somebody that wants to get off-road and get out there camping and just has the ability to only tow maybe 2,500 pounds, this is going to be the perfect option. If you have any other questions about this 2017 Tag, call Brandon.Ragan at Guaranty RV, 541-214-0223. Thank you.